Hey, what's up? Junior here. Here to give you a testimonial of my experience at the CRO workshop. So the one I specifically went to was in February, and I'll just give you a quick review of what happened and what I got from it and how that's helped me. So basically, the session was a one-day thing where I learned the psychology of conversion rate optimization. I learned how these guys approach conversion rate optimization and their thinking behind that. They taught me a lot of strategies like that are up to date, because what I noticed about them, both Matt and Tanner, is that they're working on over, I think, 13 plus e-commerce stores. So they're testing new things constantly, and they taught us things that are consistently working on all of those stores. All right, so strategies that, for one, are up to date, that are working like right now, and not something that was working like last year, but it's no longer working the same. But also that it's consistently working across a whole bunch of different stores, which proves that it's got to have some validity. Okay, so and after applying everything that I've learned from the workshop, by the way, my conversion rate went up from 2% to 4%. So it doubled. So it was well worth the money, 100% worth the money. To add on more things that we had in the session, there's a hot seat session where you can have your website critiqued. I watched as other people had their website critiqued, and that to me was incredibly valuable, because again, I just got to notice, their thinking, how they approached conversion rate optimization. What goes on in their minds, what are the things that they're looking for, and it helped me as well to keep that in mind as well. By the way, I also volunteered to have my site critiqued, which as you can see, after applying the things that I got from the site critique, after applying the tricks that I learned at that workshop. I wish I could show you a snapshot right now, but the results show. Show you right the month after I applied that, my conversion rate went up 2%, from 2 to 4%. So that's a big jump. So again, very happy about the workshop. I highly recommend it. It's well worth the money.